Good afternoon to you, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. I have not uploaded a video since the past week and a half, so this one is going to be an architecture video. So I've given you a series of engineering video where I look at beam design in terms of the uniform distributed load that is acted upon a beam, the point load that is acted upon a beam. I show you how to plot the bending moments diagram and the shear force diagram. So therefore, in this video, I'm going to update you on a project that I'm working on. I'm now working on a renovation project of a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom in the parish of Clarendon in the district of Forepath. So it's Forepath, Clarendon. So this renovation project, we're going to do some extension. We're going to extend the front room from a 10 by 10 to a 14 by 14. We are going to change out some of the stiffener columns. I think this building was built, if my memory served me correctly, was built back in the 1980s. So during the course of that time, those buildings were not so much built with stiffener columns. So over the passage of time, we have shear movements and those corners that no stiffener were placed begin to start to shear and start to crack. So I'm going to put in some stiffeners in it. We're going to take the roof off. We're going to do a total or somewhat of a total renovation on this project. So stay tuned for this video, and I am imploring you, if you're watching the video, ensure to watch the video until the end. And I just want to say before I start this video, to all my new subscribers, I thank you for subscribing, as well as my old subscribers. I thank you for watching my videos thus far. Stay tuned, and as I've said before, remember to watch the video until the end. Enough respect. Stay tuned. So I'm going to begin the presentation by showing you what the existing building looks like. So this is a look at the building from the front. So as you can see here at the bottom here, there are structural cracks. There are shear cracks here. There are shear cracks here. And this front room, I'm going to extend this front room. This front room existingly is 10 feet by 10 feet. I'm going to increase it to be 14 feet by 14 feet. So this is what the building looks like at the side. I think this is the right side. So you can see here, there are structural cracks here. Because this building was built, as I said to you in my presentation, this building was built as far back as, I think, in the early to mid 1980s. So back then it wasn't a regular practice for building to go up with stiffeners, as far as I know. But as in the case with where this building is concerned, no reinforcement was placed in the corners of this building. So we have here shear movements, soil movements. So henceforth, the cracks here have been opened up, and we have another shear crack here. I think there's one here, two, and there's probably one at the back. So pretty much this side of the building, the entire corners are going to be reinforced. So we're going to dig out, excavate out these corners with jackhammer and put reinforcement in them. This is what the building looks like from I think this is the back of the building, the rear of the building, rear of the existing building. And as you can see, this is one of the cracks here, shear cracks here, or cracks due to flexure. So these cracks mainly develop because of soil movements, probably due to settlements in the foundation over time. And where there's no stiffener, you know that there's gonna be a weakness. So this is what the building looks like from the side. This side of the building, however, is not as bad as the other side. So we are going to take out this piece of this wall here. As you can see here is another shear crack right here below the window. I think one is above the window right here. So we're going to take out this corner, take out that corner, and put a vertical stiffener column in them. But this side basically is pretty much better than the other side. So this is what the building looks like from the front, dead on. As I've mentioned to you already, there are cracks here below. So, and this is a look from the same side, yes, that side there. So this side is the cracks are really bad. You know what I mean? No form of reinforcement is placed in these corners. So we're gonna excavate them. I think this one has already been dug out to put in reinforcement. So this corner here, this corner here, this corner here, and I'm still gonna do this corner here. We're gonna excavate it out, dig it out, and put vertical reinforcement in them. So that is what the building looks like in this physical realm. So I'm going to show you now the floor plan and tell you how big the floor area are. So this is what the existing floor plan looks like. At the front here to the right, we have a 10 by 10 bedroom, a 10 by 10 bedroom with a door that leads to the veranda. Then behind this bedroom here, we have a bathroom. And behind the bathroom, we have a 10 by 13 bedroom. And behind that bedroom, we have a 10 by 11. Over on the left, we have another 10 by 11 bedroom. This is the passage that leads to the rear of the premises. So there's a door here that leads to the back or the rear. We have a kitchen here, and we have a living here, which is 14 by 15 feet. So this 10 by 10 room, basically we're gonna increase this 10 by 10 room to a 14 by 14 bedroom. So this is the floor plan here. So if you notice, the bedroom now is increased from 10 by 10 to 14 by 14. I'm going to put a big window at the front, a 8 feet in width by 6 feet in height window at the front and at the side for the extended bedroom. So here I'm going to also put a drywall, because if you observe on the existing floor plan, you see that the door here is open up to the living, and you can leave out of the living and go straight into the bathroom, and you can leave from the bathroom, go into this bedroom. So I'm going to change that up a bit. I'm going to block this door out, and I'm going to put a drywall here to create a passage. So this is a drywall here to create a passage in between the bedrooms and the bathroom. And then the living and dining, if you're leaving out of the living and dining, you don't have to go straight into the bathroom. So if someone is in the living and dining, if they are to open this door and someone is using the bathroom, they are going to be able to see that person. So I'm going to put a drywall here, a drywall here to conceal the bathroom. So the dimension of the rooms are pretty much going to remain the same. But if you notice around the corners, all these stiffener are circled, and these stiffener are going to be removed. and put in brand new reinforcement column. So that pretty much is what the floor plan looks like. So we are just basically, so the scope of this project is just to extend the front room. We're going to take the existing roof off. We're going to lift the existing floor to, I think, 2 feet above street level. So we're going to measure, take the levels from the street, measure 2 feet up that grade peg, transfer it inside the building, and lift the floor height 2 feet, and then lift the ceiling to 2 feet. So we're going to remove the roof, we're going to strengthen the corners, and we're going to totally renovate, put in brand new tiles, painting, and all that. So I'm going to keep you up to speed in terms of the progress of this project. So the elevation of the building is going to look something like this. The elevation of the building is not going to change much. Pretty much is going to remain the same. Only the front part of the building is going to be projected forward because it has extended by 4 feet. So the building will pretty much remain the same. You know, there's no change in the design, so to speak. So with the exception that the roof is going to change, since we're gonna lift the floor height, we have to take the roof off and put on a brand new roof. So that is where the project is at this stage. So I'm now going to show you some of the work that has been executed thus far. And subscribers, so this is a video that I've gotten from the site thus far. So work has indeed begun. So as you can see, the offset foundation for the front room, as I said to you before in my intro, that the front room is going to be extended 4 feet to the side and 4 feet to the front to increase the size of the front room from 10 by 10 feet to 14 by 14 feet. So this is some of the video footage that I've received. So we have comments digging up the existing floor. As I've said to you before, we're going to lift the existing floor by about 1 foot or 2 feet above road level, and we're going to cast a 5 inches thick slab over the floor and place with ceramic or porcelain tiles. So the building is going to be totally renovated and painted and roof change and all that. So this is the first video footage that I have received, so you can take a look and tell me what you think thus far. So this is another video that I've gotten from the project. So this video is showing the reinforcements in the footing. So it has finished excavate. We have put in the reinforcement for the foundation. So this video is showing us that. As you can see, we have now opened up that side where we have the shear crack. So we're going to put a brand new stiffener in that corner. So as the video comes to the front, so we have a L stiffener right here, and we're going to have a L stiffener on the opposite side. So this is the L stiffener here. So basically, we have just reached the foundation stage. So the reinforcement is put in, and based on information received from the site thus far, we have finished pour the foundation. The foundation was finished poured yesterday, so the block work is going to start today. So we have come to the end of this video, so ensure to watch the video until the end. If you're a first time viewer of this channel, ensure to hit the subscription button and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.